So now I'll select this, although there is an issue in this part. Let's see if I've guessed correctly or not. We'll go here, and yes. Because the surface that we've selected as our host is circle-like, then this cannot be drawn in the up or Z direction. And so the method that we've chosen for the void here is wrong. So I'll delete this. From here, click yes, and therefore I'll go here in the front view and I'll select the void extrusion tool, and then I'll set it on the front and back center plane, and then after that I'll draw a circle in the plan like this. Then I'll set this on 8. Alright, then select it and activate the center box. And then I'll select a line and lock it to this line and this one. And then I'll finish it up. And let's go to the 3D. All right, go to the plan, and here it is. So I'll put the extrusion end on 30 and the start on -30, which places it like this. Then let's go to the 3D. And I'll select the cut tool, and then I'll cut this piece out. Then to the front view, then select this again, and the array tool. This one's on linear and this one's on last. And so I'll draw from this line up to this one. Then select this and edit it. All right, edit here as well. And then lock this one with this line. Oh, all right, cancel on this. So lock this line with this. Oh, cancel on here as well. And finish it up. It's all right for now. So now I'll go to 3D and select this. All right, then put this on white frame. Then I'll select this line here, and then I'll add a parameter to it, which I'll name number holes. Then put this under instance, and then OK. Then we go here to the family types. And so let's see what we have here. So for the number, we have H here, so I'll specify its parameter to it here. First, let me copy the distance front because we'll need it. And then in the formula section of number holes, I'll open up the parentheses and I'll write H minus another parentheses 2 times distance front, then close the parentheses and divide this by space hole. Then OK. Let's see what this says. OK. And this is what it turns out like. Let's go back. Here, edit the space hole to 100 and then apply, and there it is. All right, so go here and select H and edit it to 500 and then apply. All right, let me go back to the front view. Then I'll go here and select the align tool, and then on this line, the vertical one that we have, I'll go here, zoom in and click on this point here. Then lock this one and let's hope that it works. All right, there it is. So let's go to the family types, and here edit the H to 750 and rec to 26. Apply. All right, this time H on 1250. Let's see what this says. It says, in order to improve the performance, you can use the nested family technique that we already used earlier. But there was a problem there and the array couldn't move in the direction of Z. So here I'll change the H to 1000 and then apply. And all right. And now I'll go to the left view. So in here, select the reference plane and draw one horizontally like this, and then another one up here. Then using the measure tool, I'll draw a line here, and then another one down here, and then another one along the total length. And there it is. Then after that, select these two and put them under the label of distance front equal 100. All right. Now let me see what we have here. Let's go to the 3D view. All right, so now this needs to be around here. Let's see what we can do about this. To the left view, then here, I'll grab this and pull it downwards a bit. All right, cancel on this. Then I'll select these two and put them under the label of none. And all right, then we'll open up the parameter properties and name this one distance whole left. All right, after that, Ctrl+C to copy it and then put it under the instant type and OK. Then let's go to the family types, and in the formula section of distance whole left, put in the distance front and divide it by 2 and then OK. All right, after that, let's go to the Create tab and select the Void Extrusion tool. All right, and then put the extrusion end on 30 and the start on -30. Then draw a circle here and put R on 8. After that, I'll select this and check this box. Then select the Align tool and lock this with this line. And then finish it up. Then here, select the Array tool and draw from this point up to this one here. Then select the line and lock this one with this line. Now let's go to 3D, and this is what it looks like. All right, then I'll select this part of the piece and then open up the parameter properties and name this one number. There it is. Let's see. All right, delete this one. So we'll name it number whole left. After that, put it under the instance type and then OK. Open up the family types again. Then I'll copy the front from up here and then select this one, open up the properties and name this one number holes front. OK. Then Ctrl+C on the formula here, Ctrl+V, and so I'll name this one distance. All right, Ctrl+Z. Let me open up the properties again and name this one distance left. We don't need the whole bit. All right, edit this, just put an underline here instead, and then OK. All right, then Ctrl+C on the formula here, paste it up here and replace the distance front with left. There we go. Then OK, and there it is. So Ctrl+S to save it up to this point, then open up the family types and edit the age to 1500, then apply. All right, so there seems to be an issue with the constraints somewhere. I'll press OK for now, and I think it's for this piece. It's for the front. So let us go to the front view. All right, left. Ctrl+Z. So this one's H, and I haven't specified this one. So I'll select this one, and from the properties, I'll name it H2. OK. Cancel on this. So open up the properties again, H2, and then put it under instance. And check the box that says reporting parameter. Or I can hit Ctrl+Z, delete this one, and then using the measure tool, draw this one here and then this one down here, then lock them. And now let's put the H on 1500 to see what happens. All right, remove on this. Okay, so we need to fix this issue. So we'll go here and select this one and then connect it from this point to here, and then edit witness lines and connect it to this line. And this one, let the lock be on for now. And these two stay the 150.AR. And let's go to the family types. And then here in the formula section of distance left, let me see what I should do. Instead of the divide by 2, I'll write plus 50. All right, hit OK on here. Then select these two lines, and from the label menu, put them on distance left. Now let's try it one more time. 1500 for H. And the constraints aren't satisfied yet again. So, okay, here. Alright, then select the align tool here. And then select this one, then delete it. Then select the piece. And then shorten it a bit, like this. Then unlock it. There we go. After that, let's take a look at it from the front view. All right, this needs to come down a bit towards this line. Let's see what this says. Cancel. Then using the measure tool, I'll draw a line here. Then I'll connect it to the H label. Cancel on this. Then I'll remove this. And then I'll go here and bring this downwards. Right, let's see, bring it downwards a bit more. All right, Control Z. It seems like we've made a mistake here. So I fixed the issue that we had here. I deleted the left side that we had here, and then erased the upper part of the plan and the lower one as well. Then I created a parameter called H2 from this point to this one. So this part has a parameter itself, but in the value of H2, I've selected a formula for it that says H minus parenthesis open 2 times distance front plus 100 millimeters. Therefore, we can always have the extra 50 millimeters that we have down here in the plan. And so let me test it here, put in 800 for H. Okay. Then put a 1250. All right, and there it is. And I've already given it a material parameter, so I'll save it and click on the load in the project and close option. For now, I'll load it into this view that we have here. Let us see, maximize this one, bring this down here again, and then let's go to the plan. Then select the align tool, and then lock this with this line, and then this one with this line. All right, now to the front view, and then here I'll select the piece that we have here, and I'll move it upwards like this. All right, then I'll select the reference plane, and then I'll draw a line like this, and then I'll connect it to this line down here and name the new line that we've created H top. Let's see, and there it is. Then put it under instance and OK. Check the instance box here as well. And then I'll go here and select this.